world's first ever decentralized stock exchange. That's what we're talking about today with Swisscheese.finance. Guys, before we get into disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just education purposes only. Let's get straight into the video. So here it is, Swisscheese.finance. Guys, it's the world's first ever decentralized stock exchange. They're developing radically futuristic, user-friendly multi-chain stock and crypto products on top of a robust DEX. Their token is SWCT. It's exclusively on their ICO. Okay, you can buy it now just by hitting this button here, join that white paper, and I'll show you how to participate in their ICO. But first, let's have a little read about this. So, what is Swisscheese? It's developing a set of products and services designed to simplify the way you trade stock, shares, and bonds, all right? Guys, they have a completely decentralized system here that hasn't been done before. A universal system that anyone can access the platform from anywhere, eliminating the financial bias caused by centralized organizations. It's completely secured and very, very dynamic, which contrary to the centralized stock exchanges, Swisscheese is flexible and dynamic where you can decide the features you want on Swisscheese in the future. So their token SWCT is the backbone of the whole ecosystem, guys, all right? Why do you want to participate in this token ICO? Because the platform's native token is the center of everything they do here. Token swapping, rewards, disbursement, any other crucial aspects, all right? It's an ERC token on the Polygon blockchain, allowing high scalability while not compromising the platform's security. It has huge growth and potential. I can sit here and try and sell you on this, but I promise you, anything you read, any blog you read, every YouTuber is talking about this. It has huge potential, all right? It will continue to increase throughout this year. And the OTC rebates are just next to none, all right? You'll receive rebates from all the OTC trading on Swisscheese.finance. Guys, you can access a stack of products in just a single account, building stacks on the cryptocurrency app, all right, with a new generation of users. It's super simple to use, all right? All you gotta do is go up here, connect your wallet and start getting started. I'm actually gonna talk about something well in advance that is super exciting coming up as well. Now, what's the advantage of this? You can trade global financial instruments, okay? Issuing or trading stocks, swap currencies with any crypto with shares and stocks, investing in the specially curated mixed portfolios, and stay up to date right now with the high quality prices. Now, touch on the tokenomics. All right, 20% is going to the founding team, 5% to the referral programs, 30% to the reserve, 5% to the bonus, high volume, and 40% to the ICO. It's easy, right? It's conducting the token sale on its own launchpad. So you're getting 5% referral program, guys. That's my favorite bit because we all know we like to make a passive income. Talking about their roadmap, the second half of 2022 has absolutely been smashed. The first half of 2023, we're very close, and we are absolutely closing down on the crowd sale. On the 1st of July, this will be absolutely fire, all right? Over 19 million SWCT unsold tokens will be burnt. So right now, one SWCT is equal to 0.33 Matic in the upcoming crowd sale, guys. So it is live right now, and all you gotta do is connect your wallet, get some SWCT, and participate in that crowd sale. If you want to know how to participate, all right, guys, you want to go to this document. It's on the front page, all right? All you got to do is click how to participate. It'll take you here. Scroll down. There is 7 pages. I'm not going to go through them all for you, but it's super easy. Most important bit is get the wallet set up with some Matic, all right? Get it set up and get your contribution in. But guys, do your own research and go into this. I have never been so excited in my life to get involved with a project like this. Over 120 million total supply. That is because it's designed to be a scarce and valuable asset. So if you have not purchased some of this and you're still watching this video, hit that button and purchase it right now, guys, because we are running out of time. The crowd sale ran free right now. You can contribute. All you gotta do is hit that, say how much Matic you want to do, make sure you connect your wallet, use a wallet that you trust. MetaMask is my most recommended, okay? And then it's simple, you just contribute, guys. Contribute, and there you go. You can get involved, all right? Visit the ICO section, connect your wallet, load Matic into your wallet on the pre-sale section, and the amount you want, confirm a transaction, and you are gonna be Swiss cheesing, baby. Next thing I want to show you guys is their Telegram group. Make sure you join it. The links are gonna be down below. I'm gonna view this for you in Telegram. Okay, this is their group. Make sure you hit that join button just like this and you'll be involved. Guys, there's so much going on here that will blow your mind. Over 8,964 members. It's always active, guys. Get in there, let them know you're from the team as well. So guys, if you go over to the Polygon chart on CoinMarketCap, all right, and look at Matic's token, and what I want you to do is go down here and click on ICO. It's gonna tell you about their initial coin offering. So their initial coin offering was 0.0026 of a cent. Now, that's fine and all right, but if we're comparing that to Swisscheese, this is why it stands out so well. Over on their ICO, if you click on the right hand side of their website, you can see here claiming the first round was already at 0.1 Matic to SWCT. Moving on to 0.22, then moving on to 0.33, which is the last round that we're in to contribute. Guys, it's incredible how well this project is laid out. Now, if you want to go over and buy some of this coin, you want to connect your wallet up at the top, I do recommend MetaMask, okay? You're going to accept the transaction and connect. Guys, you need to make sure you're on the Polygon network on MetaMask. All right, so go up and change it. So once you're on the Polygon network, guys, you can then connect your wallet. Make sure you click MetaMask and you'll see it's up here. Now it's really that easy, guys. All right, this is how you now buy yourself some of the tokens. So you want to come down into this box and put what you want to contribute. So say you want to contribute 30 Matic. Okay, you're going to click contribution. Then it will come up with the Matic inside of your token wallet. I don't have any in there right now. And it will actually buy the token for you guys. That's how you get involved in the crowd sale, okay? Get involved with that initial coin offering right now and be amongst it, guys. Look at coin market cap, 0.026. Now let's go back. When they got their coin offering, look at the price of this now, $1. Imagine how much you could have made, guys. Do not miss this. There you go, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.